ideological thing is just I am not follow the any religion, because religion is just a way to just make the nation division, means in divided, means the Akhand Bharat is just divided into Pakistan, because why the Bharat is just divided into two parts. One is Pakistan and the other is India.
But you also
Why? Because of the religion.
but you can see the in India also the many different castes and people, religions people are living like
Yeah. I am telling the unity is our India has this strength is unity in the diversity.
yes.
Yeah.
If you are saying that our our president and prime minister dividing the two countries, Pakistan and India, according to the religion.
Yeah.
But as you say in presently also that many Muslim are also live in India presently.
Yeah,
So
because
how you can say that we divide religion from
because today's mindset is changed. Yeah.
Division comes from intolerance, not the cultural identity.
No, you are. I think you are not read about the our historical story.
Are you talking about the reading? You have read the Sanatan Dharma?
Yeah,
clearly?
I am just read that quantum religion.
You know how many Veds telling the Sanatan Dharma has done this thing? Fuck it,
How
man.
how can you tell this another Dharma is only religion on? How can you tell this the India became
You have
Sanatani?
read,
How
Rig Veda?
my first question is from you.
Tell me.
How can you tell the India became a Sanatani country?
Listeners, there is a phrase in Rig Veda that is Vastitva.
Veda is also-
which is the 48th part of its means Karya. Where it means that we all people live in a division, means in inequality, equality. We live in equality and
What are you telling?
unity.
You are only telling about the Sanatani. You have to also tell about why they are not important in the
I am
India.
trying to give you
The
your
every
answer.
religion of the
Wait a minute.
every religion of the people in India belongs from India. That's why they are Indian. Not
That is made by the politicians. That is the division between the religion is made by politicians and some nonsense people.
because they written our constitution not.
We are living together from millions of billions of years, millions of years ago.
Yeah, we are living together. So how? So who will give you right? Who will give you right to just make the India is a Sanatani country?
yes, tell the count. Please come here. Wait and watch. My best and last counter is that when
Okay, then tell.
you say that you follows all the religions.
No. I am telling I am not follow any religion.
Any religion?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, have you have Aadhaar card or anything?
Aadhaar card is identity to belonging from India.
India.
Yeah. Aadhaar card is Aadhaar card कहीं और चला गया.
As you when any cricket match is happening like India and Pakistan, so when our country won the match, we are very country is won because our country is Sanatani country.
No. They didn't think like you.
Okay, on that time, so why not enjoying?
You have to give them the opportunity also.
So they are not trying to just get that opportunity, sir.
तुम्ही बोला ना बाहेर as they say
उससे बात करो. अजित getting.
as they say that when India won, the whole India celebrate when Indian team won. So when while celebrating this victory, we play Sanatani Sanatani music. Why?
Because you know, in Indian team, Mohammed Siraj is also present.
Yeah.
Religion. Which religion he belongs to?
He belongs to Muslim religion.
So what? He also played in India.
Indian team, yeah.
And why
So
say about
he
the
didn't,
Indian?
he didn't discriminate. Nah, he didn't discriminate.
Yeah.
We also celebrate with Sanatani music. When India celebrates its victory, he also celebrates with Sanatani music.
Can you tell one music from the Muslim? Can you tell? You have answered. So why are you telling that your goddamn question? You are
If you want to be a musician, you want to be a musician.
You are to be a musician. No. I am no.
You are playing. You are playing.
They are
You are playing.
No. I am not playing. No. I am not.
When you are not accepting it, then how can I tell?
Before I just do debate with the Dil, you are telling means you are telling the question, so you have to also give the answer of that goddamn question. So can you give me the answer of my goddamn question? Means
Goddamn question.
yeah. My question is just can you tell one music from the Muslim who just played in that stadium?
No.
Music is not discriminated from religion.
What? Say again.
No, I am here again and again. You have to just answer it.
Are you making joke here?
No, I am not making joke. You are
Just shut up. बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो रहा है तुम समझा?
तुम
जोक
समझा?
आने बन रहा है क्या? Your answer already that you have.
No, I am just debate with this Ambika. So why are you just interfering?
You are making joke here,
No.
not.
If you want to give the answer of your question, then he say.
First of all, you are just making the joke. What is the question? It means you are telling them they play the music.
Seriously, give the answer of your question, okay?
No. You have to
You
just.
want answer.
No.
You want answer.
No, I
what
want.
am I asking? You
I-
want answer now. You
Please
want
behave,
answer.
behave.
Behave yourself, okay? You want answer.
When you are not giving up to me to answer, so how I am just giving you answer? Means my.
First of all, you adding your words.
So please behave. So you have to just.
ओके बेटा इट हैपेंस इन अ डिबेट कोई एबनॉर्मल
Yeah.
नहीं हो रहा है चलो कंटिन्यू
You are telling. Yes, I am. I want the question, but I am also want the question from you because you are.
I am also
you are
want the
telling
question is not a
that
correct
question.
sentence,
Please.
buddy.
You didn't want the question. You asked the question. You want answer from us, okay?
No. I am just debate from you.
नॉट गुड बेटा कुछ बोलो कुछ बताओ
In this opportunity.
Question. Wait, second. Listen my question. Little bit faster.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन मतलब I have a question. Does our Indian constitution and country allows Indian government to treat only one religion above of all other religions?
No.
So why you are supporting only Sanatani?
Because it's our.
The Sanatan Dharma is our culture. It is from millions of years ago. It is our cultural. We used to draw paintings. It is our old culture.
It is world's oldest living tradition, okay?
It is guaranteed by Article 25 that India will support all the religions, not only one religion.
We are not supporting. We are not here to means disrespect of other religions. We are taking here about advancement of our religion. Like our Sanatana Dharma is a place where all people live together happily with celebrating and with smile on their faces.
If you are supporting Sanatan Dharma,
I am telling you, yes, I am supporting the Sanatani Dharma, but
wait. You are supporting Sanatani Dharma. Where is written that only people can support only one religion? Is guaranteed by any
I had
article?
tell you once
Is
again,
it
I'm
guaranteed
talking
by any article? Yes or no?
no.
So
What I am telling you have understand?
Yeah.
Tell me
Say
once,
again.
please. I tell you that we are not just disrespecting other religions. We are here to support. We are here to support our religion, telling their our religion advancements, achievements,
Students,
topic happiness.
Topic is that India.
students, it's always